Well, don't ask for calling. That's for something stupid.
Hey, we're calling your cellular one super center. Am I direct call?
Sir, customer service.
Customer service, honey.
Oh, customer service, please.
My TV's broken. It won't turn on.
Service desk.
I was calling about my TV that I bought from you guys. I bought it, and it's a Ozio or Vizio. And
It's a Vizio, honey.
Oh, it's a Vizio, and it like won't turn on. Like I keep trying to to get it turned on. I tried. I looked at the back and stuff. I've looked at the electrical cord.
Tell about the wires, are all bunched up. Tell about those.
You need to talk to electronics?
Yeah.
Okay, let me transfer you back there. Alright?
Okay.
All the wires are plugged in and everything. Because
Huh?
is your wire plugged in? Is your power?
Be like, no.
Say, which one's that?
Be like, I forgot about that.
Which one's that?
It's the phone. Come on, are you kidding me?
Maybe they actually say about time.
Be like, honey, it's about time.
Service desk.
Can I go to the electronics, please?
Did they not pick up?
Well, I guess I was there, but then they sent me back here.
What?
Yeah, I was
What
trying.
did they say?
They're like, let me send you back there, and I was like, okay. And I was like, and then I just went over there.
Honey, let me talk to him. Come here, honey. Give me here.
Are you still there?
Yeah.
Um,
So what do you want to do? Like, what are you trying to figure out?
my TV.
Bobby, yeah, make sure you tell
What do you want me to do?
Do you think I could return it?
Do you have the box part still?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, my TV won't turn on. That's the problem. Every time I try hitting the button, it won't turn on.
Yeah, you still have the box for it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, do you still have the manual for it?
No, honey, yeah, we got our TV and everything, and we tried to plug it in, and there's a bunch of these wires, we don't know what they're like HDM1 or a bunch of that stuff, I was born back in 85, so, we didn't have HD back then, so.
Okay.
We just don't know,
Bring it back in.
hey, shh, woman, I'm sorry, pardon me, I'm sorry, I'm bipolar, I'm sorry. No, is the electronics open?
Yeah.
Well, can you send me there, please?
I'll send you back and see what they say.
Okay, thank you, honey.
Uh-huh.
Good day. Look at me.
Hold it. Okay, give me. I have to switch hands.
It's about time. It's not services. Hello, yeah, I'm calling on my TV, because I got me a TV from there, and my TV just won't turn on. See, I was, it has all these little new gadgets on, like HD1, 2, or whatever that stuff is, the HD stuff, the high-tech stuff, because we didn't have back when we were kids, you know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, well, I'm trying to figure out all this, and my TV just won't turn on. I just can't get it turned on. You know what the problem is?
Nope, I know. You're going to need to call the manufacturer.
You don't know what it is. I got all these wires, they're just all laying around. I don't know which ones go into the wall or not, or whatnot. Can you just, direct me, tell me which wires I'm supposed to see are connected or anything?
Nope, you're gonna need to call the manufacturer.
Okay, well, okay, thank you for that. And I got one more thing. Can you like transfer me the automotives real quick? Are they still open?
Automotive's closed.
They are, okay, okay, then I'll just ignore that part. Can you send me to the grocery area or whatever you call that? What's that called? Do they have a grocery department? Or is that
Which
custom?
grocery department?
They have one of those? They have a grocery department? Because if they do, transfer me there, or whatever that has to do with groceries.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you.
In 1 sec, right?
Okay. I love you. Oh my god. No, go manufacturer. You can tell me why you were plugged in, sir? No, I have it on mute.
Turn it on.
Hello. Good day.
Turn it on now.
Well, what? They're still. I'm on mute. They can't hear me. I can hear them. How should I talk? Hey, Earth to Devin. How should I talk?
Like the same.
Same. How should I do my? Hello.
Just be like, I usually go to the 65-cent store.
I you go Dollar Tree down the road, but I'm going. Say, hello. Oh my God! Really? That's too loud.
We got 5 minutes and 10 seconds left, dude. This is so fun.
I know what the heck. Hello.
Here, turn it on really quick.
It's they're not. Oh God, seriously, I have no time for this.
Look down where your private area is.
Dude, why you point my dots? Dude, you're a perv.
No, I'm not. Shut up.
Come on. Hello, grocery department? 826-780. 780. Yeah. Come on again.
I'm getting your
I'll
phone.
check my messages for a minute.
Which one, man? Hey, I'm about to just. We got 4 minutes left, dude.
Don't pause it.
I'm not.
I'm gonna just be sitting here all day. Oh, finally.
Finally, we get through to somebody. This is where his heart is.
Oh my God. How much time is it?
3 minutes. You darn mouse. I thought I killed all of them. Come on. Dude, shine right in that lens. Dude, that is awesome.
What's it look like?
It's like a little red dot. Dude, do it.
Hello?
Dude, we've almost done this for 10 minutes now.
More sucks, dude.
Dude, I'm about to just hang up.
No.
Dude,
Watch, once you hang up, they're gonna answer. Wait.
3,
No.
2, 1. Okay, so I'll stand by.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
Let me
is.
see.